Mr. Invest a lot. Welcome back to the channel, baby. This summer is hot, so we invest a lot. Today we're talking about BNGO, bionano genomics. An Investor Place article came out by Larry Raymer. Within this article, he was talking about 7 best stocks to buy on a dip in July. Man, he's a poet. He spoke of Freeport McMoran. He spoke about Rivian, Schroeder, Bionano, Shoals, Amazon, and General Electric. One of the highlights that he said within this was he thinks that bionano genomics is likely to report impressive Q2 results. During his brief reasoning, his brief analysis, he said, unlike Rivian and Schrodinger, bionano hasn't had a breakthrough event recently, but one could be coming soon. When the company reports its second quarter results in early August, it's likely to disclose that its sales again soared by a large amount versus the same period a year earlier, emulating 80% year-over-year increase in its Q1 sales that it announced in May. Furthermore, he then stated that he believes there's going to be a continuation of several studies that are showing the company's Sapphire system is more adept than existing technologies at detecting genetic variations. With the detection of these variations, it may enable scientists to develop better treatments for diseases. In another point, he believes long-term Sapphire has shown the ability to detect multiple diseases earlier than widely used technology. It is likely to be approved by the FDA and other countries' medical regulators as a diagnostic tool. And finally, bionano could soon announce major deals to supply Sapphire to large hospitals and major companies. He believes that BNGO stock may have bottomed now. Shares have soared 11% off their June low of $1.36. I remember, I think it went down to $1.16 at one point sometime in May. Has a 52-week low of $1.16. Might even have been $1.13 on the day. But if bionano was to announce any major deals, especially with companies like Illumina or any next generation sequencing companies, any partnerships, where do you think the stock price is going to go? Over on TipRanks, it still says that one analyst is rating it as a moderate buy, stating that there could be a 289% upside. $6 is their price target. Some other information that I found on bionano genomics was Barbara Zeller. She stated that she was excited to have contributed to a study by Mira Kassoff, who's a postdoctoral researcher at University of Oxford, with my last optical mapping experiment using bionano genomics Sapphire technology before leaving academia. Barbara is an associate consultant at Oxford Pharmagenesis. She's a former research scientist. Another study that was published was looking at chronic lymphocytic leukemia, CLL, and it looks like it was all across of Spain as well as a hospital or a research lab in Switzerland. So you can see here it's a lot of Department of Hematologies, an oncogenomic laboratory, and some research foundations. Several cities are here: Barcelona, Valencia, Oviedo, Murcia or Mauricia. So with some analysts saying we should continue to accumulate to buy the dip here in July, crash, and how the market can still come down more. Prediction is also happening with Michael Burry. I think he was stating that the market can still come down about 40%, 30%, 40%, something like that. With ARK Invest, they've stated that, a lot of genomic stocks have been knocked down somewhere between 50 to 80%. And their recent buys all seem to be, in genomics or biotech companies. You've got 10x Genomics, Twist Bioscience, you've got Ginkgo Bioworks Holdings, DNA, and they seem to be buying the dip and loading up in their ARK-G portfolio. Please remember, none of this is financial advice, for entertainment only. Let me know your thoughts and feelings. Make sure you click subscribe, hit the join button as well if you can support the channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. Mr. Invest a lot, over and out, baby.